how to transfer money from checking to savings Navy Federal. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from checking to savings Navy Federal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Navy Federal app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on transfer. Then you have to tap on make transfer. After that, you have to tap on this plus sign. Then tap on this option. After that, link your account by using any suitable option. Then enter the credentials and tap on add account. After that, just enter the checking account from which you want to transfer and the savings in which you want to transfer and enter the amount as well. Then tap on continue. Then review your transaction and tap on make transfer. So that's how you can transfer money from checking to savings Navy Federal. That's all for this video.